Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can find referral code on Temu. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Temu application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. And after that, you will be redirected to the app's homepage where all of the recommended products will be present. Now just tap on the U icon in the bottom icon tray and select earn credits and free gifts. And there will be a lot of options you can choose from. Just select the rewards feature and you can see that there is a referral button here. Just tap on it and a link will be ready for you to either send or copy. You can copy it to the clipboard and then send it the way you like, or you can just send this link using 3 available platform options, and that's it. This is how you can find referral code on Temu. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.